Join me as I take on the challenge of testing Tesla's most advanced electric SUV ever and see if it really lives up to the hype. Tesla's electric SUV is a game changer in the EV market, and for good reason. It's been gaining attention from car enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals alike. And today we're going to dive into what makes it so special and stand out from the competition. Competition in the EV market is getting fiercer by the day, with more and more manufacturers entering the fray. Tesla, however, has always been one step ahead, and this SUV is no exception. One of the biggest challenges they faced was meeting the ever-growing demand for range and performance, while still keeping the vehicle affordable and environmentally friendly. On top of that, the technological hurdles were significant. Integrating advanced autonomous driving features, improving charging times, and reducing production costs without sacrificing quality were all major challenges that Tesla had to overcome. And let's not forget the added pressure of living up to their own reputation for innovation and disruption. Despite these challenges, Tesla has managed to push the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles. The SUV's impressive range and performance specs are just the beginning. We're talking advanced autopilot capabilities, a massive touchscreen display, and advanced safety features that make it one of the safest vehicles on the road. One of the most impressive features of this SUV is its ability to go from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. That's ludicrous mode territory, folks. And with its advanced all-wheel drive system, you can be sure that it'll handle like a dream on any terrain. But what really sets it apart is its seamless integration with the rest of Tesla's ecosystem, making it a true extension of your smartphone on wheels. The SUV's reveal was a masterclass in showmanship, with Elon Musk himself taking to the stage to unveil the vehicle in all its glory. But one moment that really stood out was when he demonstrated the SUV's advanced autonomous driving capabilities, effortlessly navigating a complex obstacle course without human intervention. It was a true wow moment that got everyone in attendance talking. What really blew me away was the sheer potential of this SUV to disrupt the entire automotive industry. With its advanced technology, impressive range, and stunning performance, it's an SUV that truly has it all. And with Tesla's commitment to constant improvement and innovation, I have no doubt that this vehicle will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles. To sum it up, Tesla's most advanced electric SUV is a true game changer that sets a new standard for the industry. With its impressive range, stunning performance, and innovative features, it's an absolute must-see for anyone interested in the future of transportation. So what do you think, guys? Are you as excited as I am about this new SUV? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest Tesla innovations, be sure to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.